Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the ICT Vacuum Block. All right. Now the ICT Vacuum Block is a concept used to explain how price moves quickly through areas where there is very little liquidity. Okay, in simple terms, a vacuum block is a price zone where the market moves fast. All right, let's just use this as an example. Okay, so where the market moves fast because there are not enough orders to slow it down. All right, so now this level was broken, and you can see how fast price was just dropping at this point, right, after a brief consolidation here. So perhaps there was not much order to slow the price down, and it just kept on dropping. Okay, maybe there might have been just little support zones, all right, but not strong enough. Okay, so when the market moves strongly in one direction, it sometimes leaves behind areas where price barely pauses. So these areas are often seen as large candles with little or no retracement. Now in this case, you can see there was actually a rejection, and then this one, the close was very close to the low of this, right? But you want to compare that with this particular candle, you can see, right? So we also have fair value gaps here. You can see we even have fair value gap here as well. But anyways, according to the concept, these zones that we're talking about represent a vacuum where liquidity was very low. Later, when price returns to that area, it may react quickly again because the same lack of liquidity still exists. So traders watch these zones as potential areas where price may move rapidly once more. Another reason traders focus on vacuum blocks is because they often appear during strong trends. When the market is moving with momentum, it tends to leave these fast moving zones behind, and those areas can become important reference points later, right? So the key idea is not to chase price during strong moves, but to recognize where the market moved quickly and wait for price to return to those zones before looking for confirmation. In simple terms, the ICT vacuum block helps traders understand where price is likely to move quickly again and why some areas of the chart behave differently from others. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn your notifications on so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.